All right, welcome back to another episode of NC Hammer Crypto. My name's Neil, where we try and keep things short and sweet on technical analysis. We have been talking about XCN a lot. We did see that we had an increased push right when it broke over the 200 EMA to about a 23% increase. I would like to see this come and retest this downward trend line. I did sell up here, but if it tests down here and then has support, we could see the next push up. XTZ is something I talked about on the previous video, and we did have re-entry, a sell, and another re-entry above the 200 EMA. And this is at 88 cents, an all-time high of 15. So keep an eye on XTZ. LCX still looks like garbage, but I believe this coin will go up. Just wait for your turn to enter. TOSHI is something I haven't brought up, but I have traded it. I scalped about we won't tell you the amount of money I scalped, but at this peak right here, it was a very nice scalp for a sell. And currently we are back testing this trend line on this downward trend line as support, but the potential move for TOSHI is actually pretty high. When you're looking at the daily, it had a retrace down to around 0.786. And if you are doing the retracement back, I believe, just a rough estimate, you could see, say you entered now, which wouldn't be a good idea, wait for a retrace, around 77. I believe I calculated 125% potential. It is a meme coin, so be careful with that. Spell looks terrible. It did have a nice pump right back here, but it tested below this trend line, which is not good. So it's still a continuation downward. ABT, we've talked about it previously, still absolute garbage. I would not enter that right now. Wait for it to push above the 200 EMA. We saw it happen once right here around February 9th, but and again around February 11th, but still it's not a bullish formation at the moment. Looking at Bitcoin, we did see it had a push up with an immediate retracement, but it is trying to hold support over this black trend line moving upwards. The other one, XYO or XCN, I guess we talked about, we were looking for support around these two yellow lines. That did not happen. There was no break and hold above this downward trend line until now. So I do want to see that push over. Ondo is still holding very nice support on this upward trend line. It could be a potential buy coming up soon. Let's see, Mobile I talked about previously. Mobile is pushing up over the 200 EMA. Last time we saw that happen right here. So you entered over the 200 EMA, that's about an 11% increase. So not very bad on that one. XYO is something I wanted to take a look at as well. It had a major push up right here. With rejection, we want to see it push over that 200 EMA and have a continuation upward, but it does have high potential to move up to this line that's right here. If it breaks this line, we could see a push up to 0.24, back down to 0.22, and then a takeoff. And XTZ, I believe we were just talking about this with the scalps, but this does have a staking ability with Coinbase, so you can make more money while staking your money. We are in a bull run, so I believe it's like a 30-day stake. Don't quote me on that, but it's an opportunity. If you buy at a low, like 0.88, and it has a high of 15, you should have enough time to exit your stake and return it back into cash where you can buy back in at a lower price. This is everything I'm seeing right now. I did see ADA had a push up, which was pretty substantial. We had an entry around this 200 EMA, and it was around a 17% gain, but we are actually holding support over this 200 EMA, which is very nice. So Cardano would be a good bet. I always use MEXC for my trading platform. They do have the lowest trading fees of any platform I've seen. Definitely do your own research. Make sure you're allowed to use MEXC within your country. I will leave the reference link listed below. I also use Coinbase. I also left a reference link below for that. If you spend $20 in an automatic transaction, you get an automatic $20. Who doesn't want free $20? If you use that reference link below. And also talked about in the previous videos, grass token, where you can earn money doing nothing, just using your non-used broadband internet. And as you can see, there are referral points, 80,000, however many thousands of referral points you can acquire. They will be doing a payout to, once you connect your wallet, you can get paid out in grass token, which I believe is around just over $1 at the moment. But grass, as well as mobile/helium, are going to be very beneficial for the future of decentralization, whether it's telephone networks or internet broadband. I would definitely recommend start stacking up some grass points for free, and mobile is something to look into. But just keep all that in mind. I hope this is helpful. I do private lessons as well as signal trading, so you can hit all the entries that I'm hitting, like this one for a quick scalp. But message me in the comments or direct message, and we can get you set up with that. I hope this is beneficial. Later.